Today, let's work on a top-down analysis and improve our trading skills in day trading and scalping. We will use the best smart money concepts and price action methods to find great entry locations. We will also discuss multiple entry models and try to improve our alternative way of trading. If you are ready, let's do this. This coin was our number one top gainer coin today. It had amazing price action to observe and learn. Starting from the weekly chart, please notice this weekly imbalance. I want you to keep this in mind. Also remember this SR Philip location at top. Here's another trick for you. SR Philip locations are great entry areas, but also great target areas as well, especially combined with imbalances. When I drop to the daily chart, the first thing you can notice is this lovely equal highs above, right below our weekly imbalance. Now we have the perfect target to hunt here. This is a masterclass level target. When you check out the bottom side, you can notice the daily market structure shift. But more importantly, this daily imbalance fails, creating a price switch. So what are all these price action telling me? It tells me that sellers lost control here, buyers taking back the control of the price. Now we need to check the momentum layout. Right before filling the weekly imbalance, notice how the price pulls back into a multi-level imbalance zone. It gives an entry area to check and look for possible trades. If I just open the 5-minute time frame on the left side, you can observe further price action. A beautiful support and resistance Philip location which combined with previous day high as an amplifier, right at the intersection of multi-level imbalances. Such an amazing location to seek trades. Now let's zoom in the area and talk further. In this 5-minute chart, the first thing you can notice is inner small equal highs above as well. So I have so many reasons for this price to go up eventually. But the problem is where and when. What kind of clues can we seek for the entries? First of all, notice how this inner 5-minute bearish imbalance fails and the bullish imbalance takes over. Just the way I teach in the Momentum Masterclass, this is a great indication for trades if there is no clear market structure break. So you can build an almost 2-hour setup here, a nice possible trade. Alternatively, if you miss that, you can notice the 5-minute break happens much later, then the price drops into an inner imbalance. This could be your chance for secondary a compact entry. Nothing wrong here. But I hear you out. You are sick of these risk-reward based trades and you're always getting stopped out. Is there an alternative way of trading? Unfortunately, the only option left is cost average based techniques like yo-yo. What you do here is divide your orders into smaller pieces. This can be 1, 2, 3, 5, almost 10 pieces if you need it. In this way, you will not have a hard stop loss, but a mental stop loss. You will be controlling your stop manually. Okay friends, I hope that this video will improve your trading skills in day trading and scalping. See you next time and please take care. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you